Welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, as we do hot barbecue wings today. Start by lubing your pan with a little olive oil, add your diced garlic, saute it, start moving it around, get ready. It's good. Now I dice these jalapenos, about 3 of them. Now is not the time to touch your eyes, mouth, or balls, especially with the corona, but mostly because you just chopped jalapenos. It can be very painful, doesn't even need an orifice, it still burns. Add a cup of Frank's Red Hot, or your favorite hot sauce, I guess. Substitute changes, I'm sure it'll be fine. Add a stick of butter. Isn't it satisfying watching it melt away? Just like a sense of calm over the coronavirus. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce, quarter cup of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. Oh shit, make it a third of a cup. Anyways, just the more you add, the sweeter it's going to be. Now a dash of pepper, stir it around. You'll let it simmer, let the butter melt. Probably simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally. Flavors will blend more the longer you cook it. Should be good. Yeah. Okay, that's what it should look like when it's done. Everything's blended. You can set that off to the side and save it for when your chicken's ready for its bath. Alright, you got chopped chicken here, not to be confused with choked chicken, but chopped. A little bit of choking is okay. Add a couple eggs, some flour, some breadcrumbs, mix it all together with your hands, and then, I'm still waiting to figure out how not to get all the batter in your hands, but it happens. Mix it all up, add flour as you go until you get the consistency you're looking for. This is what I like. You do you, though. Alright. Oh, there's my lady. Anyways, frying in peanut oil. Make sure it's hot. Drop a little bit of flour in. If it sizzles up right away, it's ready to go. Don't drop too much chicken in because it'll mess up with the temperature. Alright. Fried it golden, crispy brown like that. Yeah, you know that's gonna be good. It should look like a pack of Golden Doodle puppies when you look at all the fried chicken together. You see the Golden Doodles? Yeah, they look like puppies. Alright, add your sauce to the saucepan. There's a little bit of remnants in there, that's fine. Bring it to a boil. Add your chicken. Now roll it around a little bit. It's pretty much done whenever you want. I like it wet or moist at a very minimum. I don't like dry and sticky. So that's about done. Take it out and save the rest of the sauce for later. Cook it all the way down if you want. If you like that sticky texture, you do you. Yeah, save that for later. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Let's see. Maybe put down eggs. There you go. Nom 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 nom.